Welcome back to my channel. We're making our own herbal hair growth oil, and this is all natural, infused with organic herbal tea. About 18 different organic herbal tea. This is all natural, and even some of us with short hair, we can rock it, right? I want to welcome our new subscribers. I want to say thank you. Welcome to the family. And to all our subscribers, please don't forget to subscribe, share the video, and please don't forget to visit our online store. Those are the few of our products. I will put the link on the information box. And please let us be friends on social media, also at Tonke Beauty. So if you want to see how to make your own hair oil, let's get started. And these are the rest of the oil we're going to use: flaxseed, seed. Don't worry, we're not going to guess I name. Carrot, again. We're going to add biotin, oil, castor oil, hydrolyzed flaxseed, and wheat protein. And these are the essential oil that I'm going to use. They smell so good: tea tree, rosemary, lavender, peppermint. And this is the our infused herbal tea. When I infuse, I make sure that I put the list, the names, and everything, the dates, so that way I will know which one, because I have a lot of infused oil. I am an herbalist now, please. So I'm going to open it so you guys can see. You see this like a wow, and this, it smells so good. So when you infuse something, please, oil and water doesn't, they don't like each other. They are like a different cousin, that they don't care for each other. Please don't let water get into it. And I've already put some oil aside, and also I'm going to add coconut oil. Also, when I infused my herbal tea, I use olive oil. Everything that I use is organic oil. So I just want to warm it. You can see that it's not hot. Do not burn it. I just want to warm it so that we can uh, mix together really well. After that, I just take it out, and this is my frankincense infused oil. Oh man, this, you know how much I love frankincense. Frankincense is really good. So after that, I'm going to start adding the oil. I use some of them. I use spoons. Some of them I use pipette, and everything that I'm using here, they're clean. I didn't use one for two or three oil. It's one of each, because I don't want to contaminate my products. So I just put everything: carrots, seed. I told you we're not going to get high. So this is hydrolyzed wheat protein, hydrolyzed flaxseed oil. I'm going to add biotin, oil, carrot oil together with that. So you can see all these things are very good for our oil. And how to use it: an argan oil to just apply to your scalp twice a day, and just comb it, and it's really good and smells so good. It's available. Just click the link if you don't want to make yours, and if you want to make it, this is it right here. And so you can just make yours, or you can purchase one in our store, online store. So just click the link. So after that, I add all the I have about five or six essential oil that I add, and after that I just mix everything together. And then some of my secret ingredients also. So, and this is our Jamaican castor oil. This is lemongrass. I love lemongrass. So after that, you just mix it together just like that. And then I'm just gonna take the fornel and just this 4 ounces of oil, everything together, and you just put it in a bottle. And what I did afterwards, I add extra herbal tea, just a little bit here and there. Everything that I used, that I infused oil, I added together also. You can see this is it right here. This is not box, but this is the organic tea that I input in there. This smell, oh my god, it smells so good. And our oil is ready. Please don't forget to subscribe, visit our online store, and I will see you guys on the next video. Love you guys.